Alright, hey guys, here we have a signature box fan sold at Montgomery Ward's. This is a really cool fan. It's very 70s. The thing I love the most about this is it actually has a thermostat. I love thermostatic fans. I just find it to be so useful, especially when they work really well, where they have a good range of speeds. Yeah, I just love that. So obviously, being sold at a department store, it's got, obviously has to have some sort of OEM. The blade hub reminds me of, those Hunter things. What were those, like 6 blade, 7 blade, something like that. But I could be wrong. I don't know for sure if where these came from. Another thing to note is, I mean, it's so strange. This hub is so weird to me. It's got 4 screws. Two of them. Oh, never mind. All 4 screws are the same. They're just more sunk in. But yeah, it's just got these weird vents and everything. Unfortunately, it's not in the greatest shape. Obviously, there's the vents. The top of the cabinet is totally brown, which you wouldn't think is an issue, but it's actually supposed to be faux wood. It's just kind of worn off, or who knows? Probably been cleaned a few too many times. Suppose you could swap the grills. But yeah. Anyways, start off on low. So thermostat. It's about 78 in here, I'd say. Yeah, I mean, you're really not going to be using these when, it's hot out. Usually what I like to do is actually put them in, like, a window or by a door and run them later at night when it's cooler to bring cool air in. Usually what I like to do. It has a little bit of wobble to it. I was told there might be something wrong with this, but it seems like it runs fine to me. Yeah, that's something I might do. I might swap the grills, given that they're exactly the same, aside from the amount of brakes. Because that one in the bottom right is definitely not appealing. Now, something to take into note: the videos I've been doing, they're not entirely accurate, given that I do have a door right behind them. So they're not getting maximum airflow. Although I guess, with a screen and stuff, that's going to restrict your airflow quite a bit too. Let's turn off the thermostat. This thing was definitely well taken care of. It was oiled at one point, I would assume, or used very little. I just can't get over the design of this. I just think it's so cool. Definitely one of the more strange box fans out there. All right, and thanks for watching.